Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to make HASSELBACK potatoes. These are a better version of baked potatoes. They're so crispy on the outside and buttery soft on the inside. They're really good. Let's get started. Alright you guys, to make this recipe I'm using 3 russet potatoes. You can use gold potatoes if you prefer. I'm going to start by cutting slits into my potatoes, and the slits are about 1/4 inch apart. And make sure you don't cut all the way through your potato. Leave about 1/2 inch at the bottom. That way the slices can stay connected. This is how you want the slices to look like, and the bottom should stay completely uncut. Okay guys? I've gone ahead and sliced through all 3 potatoes. I'm going to place these aside for later. Next, we're going to put together the oils and seasonings for the potatoes. In this bowl, I have 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Into that, I am adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to add 1/4 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. You can season your salt and pepper to taste. Go ahead and mix everything together. Next, I'm going to grab a baking pan and transfer the potatoes onto it. I'm going to brush the potatoes with my seasoning mixture. Make sure you get into the slits, that way the inside of your potatoes can get seasoned as well. While these are getting seasoned, make sure your oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, set a tablespoon of the mixture aside for later. We'll use it to finish brushing the potatoes. I'm going to sprinkle 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary all over the potatoes. Then these are going to bake at 400 degrees for 45 minutes. After your potatoes have baked for 45 minutes, brush the remaining butter mixture all over them. Then let them finish baking for 15 extra minutes. So in total, you're baking them for 1 hour. Maybe a little longer if you're using really big potatoes. And here they are. They look so crispy and good. Make sure you check these with a toothpick. You want them to be very soft. If they're not, stick them back into the oven to bake for 5 or 8 more minutes. I'm garnishing with some parsley, and that's it you guys, we are done. Very easy and delicious side recipe that pairs with anything. These HASSELBACK potatoes are so soft and buttery on the inside and very crispy on the outside. They're so good. If you guys would like to make these, check the description box. I have all the ingredients and measurements there. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!